How to see other viewers on Facebook story. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Bipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you or explain you on how you can see other viewers or one of the viewers that you can see on Facebook story. Now if you open up your Facebook and if you posted a story, and if you go ahead and open up the story, and I'll just head into my viewers, you can see I have 59 viewers. But if I scroll all the way down below here, at the very end you'll get, if you get the similar thing that says others, you can see one. Because you have changed your settings, your story is now hidden from someone who has already seen it. Now if you have this one other viewers on your Facebook story, or similarly 2-3 other viewers that you are seeing but you are unable to see them, now unfortunately there is no any absolute way that you will be able to view them. Now if you tap on it, you can see nothing happens. If you tap on the question mark here, nothing happens. So basically there is no way. These are someone that has viewed your story or but is not friend with you. So if you don't want them seeing, you can just change your story privacy settings, your Facebook privacy settings. But once they have watched it and it says one other viewer, you won't be able to know, or you won't be able to see which user has viewed it. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.